Hey everyone, welcome back to the new video. I hope you are all doing well. Today I was going to my friend's home, so in between I found a beautiful waterfall near Lalpania Thana. As you can see, Luguburu Ghantabadi Dhoromgarh Sita Nala. So I thought I should show you the beautiful waterfall. Well, once I heard about Luguburu, which is a special place for Santhalis, and I don't know this is the exact place or not, but it looks like this. As you can see, some worship places are also there, and a small temple are there. So I don't know this is the exact place or not, but so that's it for this video. If I get more places, I'll show you through my videos. Till then, have a nice day and enjoy.